Hi, I'm Andrew Bailey, Curator of Collections here at the Pima Air and Space Museum. I'm sitting inside one of our latest acquisitions, the Agusta A109C MAX helicopter. The Agusta A109 is an Italian-built utility helicopter. The MAX variant of the A109C is a specialized aeromedical transport with a wider cabin and side doors that are hinged at the top and bottom rather than to one side. This helicopter was used by Life Flight of Maine as an aeromedical transport and rescue helicopter. It was then bought by Boeing, who used it as a crash rescue and support helicopter for the company's Apache flight test program in their factory in Mesa, Arizona. Boeing donated the helicopter to the Pima Air and Space Museum in January of 2020. The MAX variant had a crew of 2 pilots and 1 flight nurse. The A019 has retractable landing gear, which reduces drag and increases speed. On the way to a medical emergency, speed can be the difference between life or death. And that's a tour of one of our latest additions. Please stay tuned for more videos.